Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add another vehicle to the YouTube stream. This is a 2014 E350 little box truck package that we've got here. Only 15,000 miles on it. Super nice, super clean. We got Hankook tires wrapped all the way around on it. They're brand new. 10-ply Hankooks all the way around. Matching tires. Johnny and I are going to go through some high points. There's not much to show on this thing. It's a pretty basic little box truck, single rear wheel, no power mirrors, no power windows, but base, but nothing can break either. So full CD player in it, but it is just fresh and clean. This truck has a ton of applications. You can run an ice cream truck out of it. Could be a little mobile unit for a camper. Could be a mobile office. All steel floor. Little heater in the back. It's got four-way lighting up top. Real nice thing about this is the side door access right here that you've got to walk in and out. Not much to see under here. It's packed pretty tight, but fully serviced at our fleet repair center. Got a new die-hard battery in it. All the fluids are topped off and serviced. Really nice, clean unit. But if you got any questions on this truck, man, give us a call. That's Johnny on the other side of there, and it's me. I'm Nick. We'd love to hear from you. 919-661-2886 is our phone number. Get us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Look forward to your call. Have a great day.